Welcome to Data Project Hub. In this video, we will solve a tricky SQL interview question from StrataScratch. The question is highest energy consumption, and this question is a medium level interview question. This question deals with multiple concepts like CTE, subquery, appending data, and ranking data. Let us go through the question in detail and let us see how to solve the question. So, find the date with highest total energy consumption from the Meta bar Facebook data centers. Output the date along with total energy consumption across all data centers. So, our aim is to find the date along with the total energy consumption across all data centers. And in the first part, it is given that find the date with highest total energy consumption. It is not that we have to find simply the sum of energy consumption, but instead we have to find the date with the highest total energy consumption from the Meta bar Facebook data centers. And the final output should be in this format where the output should be date along with the total energy consumption as a separate column. Let us see the expected output column, then the input tables, and then let us solve the question. So this will be the format of the expected output. So we have a date column along with total energy consumption, and we are given three tables. The first table is fb underscore eu underscore energy. This is for one particular region, and this is the fb underscore asia underscore region for second region, which is basically asia. And this is the third table which is given, that is fb underscore na underscore energy, which is for na region. And so we are given three tables, that is first one for EU region, second for Asia region, and third for NA region. Let me copy the three table names and paste it here. Yeah, let it be here. Now coming down, let us go through the three tables as well. The three tables are given, that is FB underscore EU underscore energy. This is the first table. And when we go through three of the table, we can see that all the three tables are having similar schema, which consists of date as well as consumption. And date is in date time data type, and consumption is an integer data type column. And let us preview the data as well. So when we preview it, we can see that we have two columns. The first column is date and second column is consumption. Similarly, the table for Asia have similar column, that is date and consumption. And coming down for NA also, we have two column, that is date and consumption. Now the first part is to find the total energy consumption for each particular day. For that, we will be making use of these three table. Let us comment this, select star from fp underscore u underscore energy. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to append the three table, because we want to get all the data from all the regions, and then we have to find the date with respect to the maximum energy consumption. So for that, the first step is to append the data, that is select star from the first column, first table, that is fb underscore u underscore energy. Now we are going to do a union all. Here make sure that use union all instead of union. Don't use union, because if there are duplicate data, the data will be removed. So here we don't have to remove any data, or our aim is not to remove any duplicate data. So we have to use union all, don't use union. The second table we will append, that is select star from fb underscore asia underscore energy. Now we will append the third table as well, union all, the third table, that is select star from fp underscore na underscore energy. Let me simply execute this and see what is the result we are getting. There is some syntax error. Let me go back and see what is the error I made. It's because I haven't mentioned from close here. Yeah. Now run this and we will get a result where we will have two column, date as well as consumption. And now we have appended data from all the three tables, that is table for EU region, table for Asia region, and table for NA region. Now we have to find the sum of energy consumption with respect to each date. For that, let me place this query inside a CT T1s, open and close parenthesis, place this query or the appended query inside the parenthesis, and now this query is considered as a CTE. Select date comma sum of consumption. The second column name is consumption as total underscore energy. Yeah, this is taken from T1, and we will use a group by clause based on date, group by date. And also we will order the result based on descending order of total energy, that is order by total underscore energy in descending order. Now execute this and we will get the total cumulative or total consumption with respect to each day. Now going through the table, we can see that 2021 6 has the maximum total energy consumption, that is 1250. Similarly, on 7th also it is 1250. So our final result should be this to date along with the total energy consumption. Let us see the expected output as well. So here we can see that we have the date 2020-01-06, the total as 1205, sorry, 1250, and the second date is 2020-01-07, and here also the total is 1250. So in our final result we require only the first two rows. So here what we are going to do here is we will rank the result based on the total energy. So for that, put a comma over here, then rank over order by sum of consumption in descending order as rank. Now execute this and see if we are getting some result. Yeah, we will execute this, run code. Yeah, we have some result and we have a new column, that is the rank column. Now we will place this query also inside a subquery, sorry, inside a CTE, that is T to us, open and close parenthesis, and place this query inside a CTE. And when we are placing this query also inside a CTE, we don't have to use the order by clause. If we use the order by clause, we will get an error. So make sure that comment this order by clause within the CTE. Now we will write a select star from T2 where rank equal 1. Now if we execute this query, we will get the expected output. Run code. Now we can see that we have the date, total energy and rank. But in our final output, we require only date and total. So we will take only date, comma. The second column is total underscore energy. So that is the column name we gave in the T2 CTE. Energy as total. I'm renaming it as total so that the expected output and our output should exactly match. Now execute this and we will get the exact same result which we saw in the left side panel. Run code and we have the exact same result. Now check solution. So our solution is accepted. So we have obtained the expected output. I will provide the question link in the description. You can directly go ahead and practice the question. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more. Thank you.